start a legal conundrum calls for resolution in this case. Stop. The seminal question that created it is, whether the double of facts that constitute the cause of action for filing an original application under Section 19 of the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985 and determinative of the place of its filing would remain as the decisive factor in case such an application is subsequently transferred from the bench where it was filed to another bench of the tribunal falling under the territorial jurisdiction of another high court, to ascertain the jurisdictional high court to exercise the power of judicial review, qua the order of transfer passed by the chairman of the Central Administrative Tribunal at New Delhi in exercise of power under Section 25 of the Act. Stop para. The appellant assails the final judgment and order dated 29/10/2021 passed by the High Court at Calcutta in writ petition number 78 of 2021, whereby the High Court set aside the order dated 22/10/2021 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal Principal Bench, New Delhi in PT number 215 of 2021, transferring original application number 1619 of 2021, filed by the respondent hearing, from Calcutta bench to its files at the Principal Bench, New Delhi. Stop. In fact, order in PT number 215 of 2021 was passed by the chairman of the tribunal in exercise of power under Section 25 of the Act. Stop para. The respondent hearing, who was the then Chief Secretary of the State of West Bengal, filed original application number 1619 of 2021 before the Kolkata bench of the Central Administrative Tribunal, challenging the disciplinary proceedings initiated against him YD. Charge memo dated 16/6/2021 alleging failure to attend a review meeting chaired by the Honorable the Prime Minister of India on 28/5/2021 for assessing the loss of life, damage to property and infrastructure caused by the cyclonic storm. Yes, stop para. He was charged thereunder for failure to maintain absolute integrity and devotion of duty, and for exhibiting conduct unbecoming of a public servant. Stop. Pending consideration of the stated OA number, the appellant herein moved a transfer petition being PT number 215 of 2021 under Section 25 of the Act, before the Principal Bench of the Tribunal at New Delhi, seeking its transfer from the Kolkata bench to the Principal Bench. Stop. That petition was allowed by the chairman of the tribunal, sitting at the Principal Bench, and the challenge of which ultimately led to the passing of the impugned final judgment and order dated 29/10/2021 by the High Court. Stop para. Since we are confirming the consideration only on the question as to which is the jurisdictional High Court having the power for judicial review as relates the order of transfer passed in PT number 215 or 2021, it is unessential to refer to, in detail, the various contentions raised in the stated original application to challenge the disciplinary proceedings, as also the contentions raised before the High Court in writ petition number 78 of 2021 to challenge the correctness of the stated order of transfer. Stop para. There is no dispute regarding the power of the chairman to transfer an original application pending before the bench of the tribunal to another bench, under section 25 of the Act. Stop. A perusal of the said provision would reveal that a party to any entitled to make a separate application before the chairman of the Central Administrative Tribunal for such a transfer. Stop para. Upon transfer of an original application pending before a particular bench of the tribunal, lying within the territorial jurisdiction and power of judicial superintendence of any particular High Court other than High Court of Delhi at Delhi, to the principal bench at New Delhi lying within the territorial jurisdiction of High Court of Delhi, the question of maintainability may arise in case of a challenge against the order of transfer. Stop para. The question of jurisdictional issue may get complicated further in case some of the applicants who joined together to file a single original application under section 19 of the Act before a particular bench of the tribunal have chosen to challenge the order of its transfer, if passed under section 25 of the Act, before different high courts, based on their places of residence. Stop. Occurrence of such a situation is possible and cannot be ruled out going by the provisions under Rule 4, Sub-Rule 5A and B of the procedure rules. Stop para. All the above aspects have to be borne in mind while considering the question that calls for resolution in this appeal. Stop. At another important aspect may also has to be borne in mind, idlest, that the cause of action for filing an original application under section 19 of the Act to redress any grievance and the cause of action for challenging an order of transfer of such an application from the bench where it was filed and pending, to another bench are different and distinct. Stop para. The place for filing an original application against any order under section 19 would depend upon the bundle of facts constituting the cause of action which ultimately culminated in the said order sought to be impugned. Stop. Explanation to section 19 subsection 1 defines the meaning of the word order for the purposes of the said section. Stop para. On the other hand, the cause of action for challenging the order of transfer order declining the prayer for transfer is nothing but an order passed in the independent application for transfer of pending original application from the files of that particular bench of the tribunal where it was filed to another bench. In the invocation of a disinclination to invoke, the power under section 25 of the Act. Para. In the circumstances based on our conclusion, the impugned judgment and final order in writ petition number 78 of 2021 passed by the High Court at Calcutta is to be held as one passed without jurisdiction and hence, it is ab initio void. Stop. Accordingly, it is set aside. Stop. The writ petition being writ petition number 78 of 2021 filed before the High Court at Calcutta is accordingly dismissed, however, with liberty to the petitioner therein, the respondent herein to assail the same before the jurisdictional High Court, if so advised.